So here at Vikram Jadhav, Vikram Dada, his house, Vintage Owners Club, Kolhapur's one of the founding members. I just handed over him the handbook by Retro Prints. He sent it to me, and I thought to give away all these uh, manuals to the respective bike owners because I don't have any HD or an Explorer or an BSA Bantam. So this manuals I am giving away, and he has this amazing book, Java, by Adil Jaldarukhanwala sir, and he has just shown me all the interesting history. He told me everything about the same, and this is Vikram Dada here, and there's an amazing different side of his, which is about watches. A gem of a person with many hobbies. I cannot show you much of his hobbies, but motorcycles, that too, especially Yezdi, and now he's also into watches. So he has so many stock for HMTs and some other brands as well. So Vikram Dada, hi. Please tell us about your watch collection. G2 Bullet followers, G2 Bullet subscribers, they are also recently loving all the watch videos. And chalo, let's start.
I have these collective items like a HMT watch, all are mechanical watches.
Handwood movement, yeah, 17 joules.
17 joules. HMT KOHINOOR, HMT SONA,
Okay.
HMT VIJAY, HMT JAYANTH, HMT
Pilot.
Pilot, HMT KOHINOOR, and HMT.
This is, I think, plain, not.
No, not GOUTHAM.
Gotham. Okay, so let's start from this watch. This is a hand movement. The name is gone, but I believe this should be. Even I am not able to remember the name, but this is an 1982. So yeah, all running condition. This is Kanchan Automatic. Kanchan Automatic 21 joules. Lovely. I saw this in the showroom, brand new.
Okay.
But it was sold out. 3-4 watches were there, and it was in golden, so I didn't purchased it. Then again, this is NOS HMT SONA, all running condition. You can see the second minute hands, and yeah, this is an 2006 watch.
This is
Then this is the HMT VIJAY, working condition, you can see all handwood movements. Then again a lovely
Jannat.
Jayanth. Oh?
Jannat.
No, Jayanth.
Jayanth.
So sorry. Even I have never saw this watch, Jayanth. I never heard of it. 1977 watch. Okay. This is the amazing Pilot watch. There's one available in Karan Watch Company too. Amazing. Pilot, very famous watch. Superb. Then again Kohinoor. Yeah, with a different case. Superb. Looks amazing. And then this is again GOUTHAM. Very nice. So out there collectors, this is the HMT collection he has, Vikram Dada, and he wants to show us his lovely skeleton watch and his first fast track watch as well. This is his fossil skeleton watch. His wife gifted him for his birthday. Amazing. Full skeleton, automatic movement. Perfect. And this is the fast track. हे कधी घेतलेलं आपण?
My first purchase in 2003.
2003 fast track quads. So the beginning of quads movement in Indian market. Amazing, and looks very heavy duty, unlike current lineups. Yeah, amazing. I have never seen a fast track watch like this, but guys from 2003 who were youngsters or maybe 20s 30s, they might have known. And this is all the Titan. Yeah, This is the Titan lineup. Perfect. Superb. All these watches he bought. This is something unique. Tank watch with the upright day-date window. This has a date window. This is a date window again. Day-date. Nice. Wonderful and unique designs. Perfect. So this is the entire collection of his. I believe this Jayanth looks out of the box along with the Kanchan and the HMT Pilot. Superb. Even this has a beautiful dial and golden R indicator. Gautam looks superb. Okay, Vikram Dada, thank you for having me, showing you
Thank you.
a lovely collection of yours. And yeah, now we'll enjoy his time with motorcycles. Adil Jal Darukhanwala sir, if you are watching it, thank you again for so much of the contributions you made to the community. We all love you. Thank you, sir. Vikram Dada, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.